Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I thought it would be fun to show you how I set up my gratitude/daily journal. This year I am using a planner from Erin Condren. It's just I think it's called Focused Planner. So it has room for just a few places each day, a few lines each day, and I just write like 3 or 4 things I'm grateful for from that day. And I think it's really fun to have kind of a theme for the month. I don't get too intense about it, and I of course will add lots of other things, but I just had a Frog and Toad book that was falling completely apart, so I grabbed a few favorite illustrations from that book. I just adore this series, and so I'm including those, just one illustration for each week for the month of March. I just cut them down and glue them in. I'm adding some washi tape behind because there's a little section there that says notes, and so I use washi tape to cover that up and then add the illustration in the corner, and then I can just use that little section of the page for quotes I like from the week or whatever strikes my fancy that week. So this is just a fun way to get some decoration on the page at the beginning of the month, and then I always add more as I go, more stickers or doodles or whatever. But I really just like having something already in place when the month starts that I can kind of react to, or just maybe that might be the only thing if things are really busy besides the writing. So then this blank page each month I use as kind of a note space, or I'll put a quote from a podcast or a book that really stood out to me. So I'm just adding a little bit of decoration there with these cute illustrations. And then each month I also keep track of the books I read, the things I listen to, like if I listen to a whole podcast series or something, as well as the things I made and what we watched. So that is what I use this very first page in the monthly setup for. So I'm just going to write read, watch, listen, and then make. And I'll add some washi tape to decorate it. And as you can see, I just keep things really simple. I'm using all greens because Frog and Toad are green. And I just think they're the cutest, and it's fun to have kind of I don't know, I guess they just kind of remind me of spring. I'm not sure why, but I just think that's fun. And then the monthly spread, I write one word that represents the day on the month. So if you're interested, let me know and I can include a flip through. Thanks for watching, and find